Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Duct Insulation Window Kit is probably one of the most effective and affordable solutions for combating those chilly drafts and reducing your energy bills, especially as the seasons change and the temperature starts to drop, making your home a much cozier and more comfortable sanctuary throughout the colder months. Number 5. Duct Brand Indoor Window Insulator Kit. Tired of drafts and cold air invading your home? This window insulator kit is designed to help you reduce energy costs by creating a powerful seal against the elements. Our crystal clear film easily heat shrinks to form a tight barrier, effectively sealing out drafts and keeping your home warmer. You'll barely notice it's there. This comprehensive kit includes a generous amount of crystal clear film and a full roll of double-sided tape. It's everything you need to insulate multiple windows. Increase your home's energy efficiency with this simple solution. It's a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment, making your home more comfortable. Easily insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows with this convenient kit. Enjoy a warmer, more energy-efficient home all season long. What we like. This option provides a crystal clear film that shrinks to seal out drafts and cold, helping to increase energy efficiency. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to insulate multiple windows and reduce energy bills, this is a great choice. It's ideal for homeowners wanting to make their living space more comfortable during winter. What people say. This kit actually comes with a roll of plastic. It is so much easier. You start at the top corner and roll it across, then just unfold it down the window. It's so much easier to maneuver. It has made such a difference in room temp, it's crazy. My living room was actually at 49, with this plastic up it fluctuates between 68 to 70 now, which is perfect. The plastic is strong and very clear also. Number 4. Duct Brand Window Insulation Kit. Don't let the cold weather drain your energy bills. This kit creates an airtight seal to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-use shrink film. Simply apply, trim to size with scissors, and use a hairdryer to activate the seal. No complicated measuring required. Enjoy a clear view of the outdoors even after installation. The transparent film ensures you won't miss a thing, and it removes cleanly when the season ends. This comprehensive kit provides enough material to insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows. You'll receive multiple rolls of shrink film and tape for a complete solution. Create a robust barrier against drafts and cold air. It's designed for indoor application on various surfaces like painted wood, vinyl, or aluminum for lasting protection. What we like. This kit creates an airtight seal to block drafts and cold weather, saving you on energy costs. Its rolled shrink film means no measuring is needed, and it cuts to size for easy indoor installation. If you prefer a hassle-free installation process and a transparent finish that's easy to see through, this product is for you. It's perfect for those who want a quick and effective solution for multiple windows. What people say. The film is easy to cut, the tape adheres firmly, and installation was straightforward. Just follow the steps and use a hair dryer to tighten the film. Once in place, it becomes nearly invisible and creates a tight seal that really blocks out drafts. I used a laser thermometer on my windows, before and after. I had a 3.6 degree temperature increase on average with the window film. I actually turned my thermostat down on my gas furnace by a few degrees, which will make a huge difference in my bill over the entire winter. The plastic sticks well to the adhesive, and when I used a blow dryer, it shrank just like it's supposed to and became nice and tight. I've definitely noticed a difference in my bedroom. There's no longer a draft, and I don't find myself turning up the heat as often. Number 3. Duct Brand Roll-On Indoor Window Insulating Film Kit. Introducing the Duct Brand Roll-On Indoor Window Insulating Film Kit. It's designed to make insulating your windows simple and effective. This kit comes with everything you need, including premium shrink film and specialized tape for application. You'll have all the essentials for a successful installation. Forget about precise measurements. Once you apply the film, you can simply trim it to fit your window perfectly. It's designed for ultimate convenience. For the best performance, ensure your window surfaces are clean and dry. It adheres well to various materials like painted wood, aluminum, and vinyl. You'll only need a few common household items to get the job done. Scissors and a hairdryer are all that's required for a smooth setup. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. This insulating film is incredibly easy to install and just as simple to remove when the season changes. What we like. Featuring a premium shrink film, this kit offers an easy roll-on application for up to 3 windows. It's designed for clean and dry surfaces and is simple to install and remove. If you only need to insulate a few windows and appreciate a premium feel, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for those who want a high-quality, straightforward solution for a smaller number of windows. What people say. The major problem people have with this product not sticking is most likely due to improper cleaning of the woodwork. Forget those tiny alcoholic wipes and get a bottle of rubbing alcohol and some paper towel. Douse the paper towel with alcohol and use some elbow grease to really clean the woodwork. Time and other cleaning products leave behind an oily film that must be removed. If it is not removed, the tape will come loose, period. After cleaning, I place the tape on the 3 sides but do not remove the outer layer until the plastic rollout is secure and I have opened the plastic. If it is cold, I warm up the tape and wood with the hairdryer, and also make sure to firmly rub the tape so it is secure. Warming the upper tape is also a good idea. On a window that leaks cold air, the woodwork is not apt to be warm enough for the tape to stick. When all is ready, I leave the protect to allow the tape to become firmly attached for at least 15 to 20 minutes. To finish up, I remove the tape cover one side at a time and align the plastic on the tape and firmly run my fingers up and down the tape, doing the bottom last. When the plastic is done this way, the shrinking process is minimal since you have already aligned the sides properly and straight, so there are no bulges or puckers. I have done each window and they are nice and clear, tight and adhered properly. All windows done. Second year with this. Yes, the top does need reinforcing after you apply the roll-on edge, but that in itself is worth the very convenient roll-on function. Scotch tape works fine, we don't shrink, also very easy to crawl in window after AC removed because we locked ourselves out. Neighbor took AC out then crawled in, only had to reset at bottom 1-2 window. Last week along came the due west 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Nary a draft nor a stirring of any of the drapes. So well worth it. All 7 big windows. 3 big windows on the north side of building, heat on the very lowest for 1 month, 32, out avenue 68 inches. This has taken kilowatt-hour usage from 25 kilowatt-hours in 24/7 down to 17-19 tops on laundry days. This kit does a good job keeping out drafts once it's on. The roll-on part makes application easier than the older version, but it still takes a bit of patience. The film is thin, so you have to be careful not to tear it while applying. Once it's sealed and shrunk down with heat, it looks clear and holds up nicely through the season. Definitely helps keep rooms warmer. I just wish the material was a little sturdier. You have to go slow with the blow dryer or it'll rip. Overall, it works well and does what it's supposed to, just not totally foolproof during setup. Number 2. Duck brand double-sided indoor replacement tape. Introducing our double-sided tape, designed for a firm hold on your window moldings. It adheres exceptionally well to painted or varnished wood surfaces. This tape is perfect for indoor window kits. It ensures a secure fit throughout the season. When the season ends, you'll appreciate how easily it removes. It leaves no sticky residue behind, keeping your surfaces clean. It provides excellent adhesion on painted and varnished wood. This makes it a reliable choice for your home. Each roll measures 0.5 inches by 24 feet, giving you plenty of tape for your needs. It's a convenient replacement solution. Please note that this tape is not recommended for use on plaster, wallboard, drywall, or bare, unsealed wood. It's specifically designed for compatible surfaces. What we like. This is a double-sided tape specifically designed for window kits, offering firm adhesion to window moldings. It adheres well to painted or varnished wood and removes easily without residue. If you've lost or damaged the tape from a previous kit, or if you need extra strong adhesion for your window insulation project, this replacement tape is the perfect solution. It ensures a secure fit without damaging your window frames. What people say. It keeps the plastic sheets in place all winter. Duck brand window insulation tape is the easiest to work with. It adheres as well or better than alternatives too. The double-sided tape secures and holds as long as I need it to. Number 1. Duck Max Strength Window Insulation Kit. Keep your home warm and cozy this winter with our Max Strength Window Insulation Kit. It's designed to provide a powerful barrier against the cold. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-use shrink film. Simply apply the film and cut it to size, no measuring required. For optimal performance, ensure your window surfaces are clean and dry. It adheres well to painted wood, aluminum, and vinyl. You'll only need a few common household items for installation. Scissors and a hairdryer are all it takes to get a perfect seal. This kit provides ample film and tape to cover one extra large or patio window, or up to 2 large standard windows. Our heavy-duty shrink film is built to last, offering superior insulation. It creates a robust seal to keep drafts out. What we like. This kit includes heavy-duty, max-strength shrink film designed for patio doors and large windows. It offers an easy-to-use roll-on application that cuts to size. If you have extra-large windows or patio doors that require a more robust insulation solution, this product is ideal. Its heavy-duty nature ensures maximum protection against cold drafts for your biggest glass surfaces. What people say. Cold draft stopped and I could see improvement in temperature immediately. Works great. My winter electric bill got reduced by 25%. The thicker plastic is much more effective in our very cold winters. No worries about adhesive tape failing. Install in October and lasts till April. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.